Hi there, I'm Vikrant Shoria and I'm the founder and CEO of The Books Factory, which helps you turn your ideas into a best-selling book, even if you don't have the time and skill to write a book. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can find best Kindle keywords for your book in just 5 easy steps. Stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red button below. That way, when I teach you the next latest and greatest thing about self-publishing, you will get notified because you subscribe. Now, let's begin. Okay, so think of it this way. If your book is on Amazon, you share digital shelf space with 50 million other copies or titles. Keywords are like Amazon shopkeepers or libraries. Buyers search for books using keywords, and the right keywords tagging will help you readers land your book. It's that simple. Let's dive into how to find the best Kindle keywords in just 5 easy steps. So step number 1 is make a list of your keyword ideas. List all the relevant terms, words or phrases that represent your book, including your book's title, subtitle, categories and description. So step number 2 is go incognito. So before you start typing words on the search bar, be sure to switch to incognito mode on your browser. Why? So you don't mix your keyword research with your personal search and your purchase history on Amazon. Okay, so step number 3 is open amazon.com/books and search for a broad keyword or phrase. Review the auto suggest results and create a new search for each one. Step number 4 is to repeat the search for each auto suggest result. Continue to search each one of the auto-suggested results on the list and take a screenshot every time for easier review later on. So fifth and the last step is to finalize your 7 Kindle keyword list. Looking at all the screenshots, you would be able to notice a pattern of most searched words or phrases in Amazon that are associated with your book. Highlight the most common words and phrases in this search category. These are the words you should consider including in the final list of 7 keywords in your Kindle Direct Publishing account to increase the likelihood of your book being found. So it is that easy to do Kindle keyword research. So go ahead and start searching for your keywords. I would recommend doing a keyword research using your main book categories and your book title first. One final advice, don't worry about being tied down to the keyword you have chosen. You can always test and make changes to improve the sales performance of your book once published. So do you have any questions on choosing the right keywords for your book? Or you simply have any question about self-publishing space, let me know in the comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to it, tell other people about it, and like the video itself. Or if you are just stuck on your publishing journey and you just want personal help from me and my team of professional book writers, editors, designers, and marketers, check out my done-for-you publishing company, The Books Factory. Just Google it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.